This week in our Math and Science show, we are covering some super fun topics. Each day stands alone, so you don't need to have watched the previous 7 weeks to join us this week. On Monday, we're going to be talking about how incredible the human body is and Pascal's triangle. Our science lesson correlates with 6th grade science standards, and the math lesson is high school math, but we're presenting it in a way where even 2nd and 3rd graders are going to be able to learn some really cool things about Pascal's triangle. On Tuesday, we're going to build an Archimedes screw and learn some really cool things about siphons. Our math lesson is going to cover area and perimeter, correlating with 3rd and 4th grade math standards. On Wednesday, we're going to learn about how a refrigerator works and Pick's theorem, which is a really awesome way to determine area and correlates with 6th grade math standards. And on Friday, we have a fantastic lesson all about the solar system and suns, the life cycle of a star, and how our own sun produces the heat and energy that keeps our planet going. Each week, we interview a scientist so that you can hear firsthand about exciting research that's taking place, and this week we have a paleontologist coming on. Our Math and Science show is 100% free. You can watch on YouTube or on Facebook, and notes are posted the day before on Patreon. These notes are a free download, and you can use them as a guide as you go through our activities. Our show is interactive. We have moderated chats on both YouTube and Facebook so that people can engage real time as we teach the lessons. And each show includes an art prompt and an engineering challenge. We always showcase previous days' engineering challenges and art prompts, and you can have your art featured on the show. We're exploring some fantastic areas of science and math this week. I hope you'll join us.